In this video we are talking about if XRP is going to the upside or if we see a move to lower levels. As you can see, in the last days we saw this crazy pump from XRP, and right now we see a reaction in this order block right here. In the last video we were at this prices right here. And I said if we see a daily or weekly body close over this supply zone right here, then the chance is very high that we see an explosive move to the upside. And if we see the explosive move to the upside, I said the chance is very high that we are coming into this order block and that we will see a reaction right here. I will show you now the clip from the last video. And I think the chance is very high that we are exploding now to the upside at XRP, because we always saw rejection in the supply zone, but we didn't saw lower lows. And we are trying now to break this supply zone to the upside to the fourth time, and the more often a rejection area is tested, the higher chance is that we break through this resistance. So I think the chance is very high that we are going now to the upside. But what would be the next resistance areas? I think that this area is the next resistance area, because we are seeing this daily order block right here, and from this order block we saw this last push to the downside, so the chance that we are going to this order block again is very high, and the chance that we are finding some resistance right here is also very high. And as you can see, we saw this explosive move from XRP. First we just saw this massive wick right here, and we saw then some bearish candles right here, but after we saw this daily body close out of this supply zone with bullish momentum, then we saw this explosive move to the upside, and I said the chance is very high that if we are going to the upside, that we see a reaction in this order block. But as you can see, in this daily order block we were at the top of this bearish move to the downside, so the chance is high that we see a reaction right here, and right now we are seeing this bearish daily candle, and I think the chance is high that we are going now to the downside again, because this liquidity grabs to the upside are looking very bearish right now. And now it also depends, if Bitcoin is going to the downside, then I think the chance is high that we also see a reaction at XRP. But if Bitcoin is now going to the upside, then I think the chance is high that XRP is going also to the upside. But if we want to see higher prices for XRP, it's necessary that we are breaking this order block to the upside with a daily or weekly body close. If we are don't seeing this body close, then I think the chance is very high that we see a crash from XRP. And I think the next important area is this supply zone, exactly this last supply zone, which can now turn into support. So if we are not breaking this order block to the upside, then I think the chance is high that we see a move to lower levels. And if we see a bullish reaction right here, then I would move into a long position to go to the upside again. But if anything interesting happens for XRP, I will make a video. So subscribe to this channel to don't miss the next update on XRP. So all in all, congrats to everybody who took the trade from XRP right here. As I said, after we saw this daily body close to the upside, we saw this explosion to the upside from XRP, and as I said, the chance was very high that we see a reaction in this daily order block. And right now, as you can see, we see the rejection to the downside. If we want to see higher prices, it's necessary that we see the daily or weekly body close to the upside. And if we don't see that, the chance is high that we see the reaction to the downside. And I think the next support area can be this zone where we saw the supply zone in the last days and weeks, and right now it can turn to a support area. And if we come down to this and see a support right here, then I think the chances is high that we see higher prices for XRP. So this was it for this video. Comment down below which altcoin do you want to see in the next videos. Thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading, and see you in the next one.